everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Deepika. In this video, we will solve questions of exercise 5.2 of Arithmetic Progressions. So let's start with our question number 1. Fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term, D is the common difference, AN is the nth term of the AP. So these are the 5 parts of this question. We have to find the value of nth term in this part. So first term is given to us, that is 7, common difference is equals to 3 and number of terms is equals to 8. Using formula of AN is equals to A plus N minus 1D, we can find the value of nth term, whereas you have to substitute the value of A, D and N in this formula. Value of A is equals to 7, value of N is equals to 8 minus 1 and the value of D is equals to 3. Now you have to solve this. Bracket first, 7, 3. 7 plus 21, so nth term will be equals to 28. So that's our first part. Now we will solve our second part of this questions. In second part, first term is given, you have to find common difference and number of terms and value of AN is also given. So we will use same formula again. Formula is nth term is equals to A plus N minus 1 D. Now we will substitute our values. Value of AN is equals to 0. Value of A is equals to minus 18. Value of N is equals to 10 minus 1 and D you have to find. So 0 is equals to minus 8 plus 9D. Now we will shift this minus 18 to left hand side. So this will become 18 is equals to 9D. From there you can write 2 is equals to D. So that's the value of D. I hope the idea is clear to you. You have to use the same formula. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1D, and in order to find the missing term, you have to substitute rest of the values. This way you will get the whatever value you have to find. Let's solve third part now. In this part you have to find the value of first term. So you have to use formula. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1D. Now we will do substitution. Value of AN is equals to minus 5. Value of A we have to find. Value of N is equals to 18 and common difference is equals to minus 3. So minus 5 is equals to A plus 18 minus 1 is 17 multiplied by minus 3. So minus 5 is equals to A, 17 into 3 minus 51. Now we are going to shift this 51 in LHS. So minus 5 plus 51 is equals to A. So you need to solve this, you will get the value of first term is equals to 46. Now we will solve our fourth part. Again you have to use the same formula. In this part we need to find the value of N, that is number of terms. Value of A is equals to minus 18.9. Value of N we need to find, and value of D is 2.5. Value of AN is equals to 3.6. Now we can shift this term to LHS. 3.6 plus 18.9 is equals to n minus 1 multiplied by 2.5. Okay, 3.6 plus 18.9 is equals to 22.5 is equals to n minus 1 2.5. Now we will shift this 2.5 to this side. So this will be 22.5 upon 2.5 is equals to n minus 1. You can cancel out these points. Now we know 25 multiplied by 9 is equals to 225. So 9 is equals to n minus 1. When you will shift this one to LHS, so 9 plus 1, 10 is the final answer. So there are 10 terms in this case. Similarly, we will solve the last part of this question. In last part, you have to find the value of nth term. Nth term is equals to a plus n minus 1d. Nth term, we have to find value of a is equals to 3.5, value of n is equals to 105 and value of d is equals to 0. Students, when the common difference is equals to 0, then this AP will have all the terms equals to 3.5, and by solving also you can check my answer will be 3.5 only, because when you will multiply 0 with this bracket, this will be 0 only. So nth term will be 3.5. Here the value of n is equals to 105. So that means 105th term of this AP will be 3.5. In fact, in this case, all the terms will be equals to 3.5. This AP will be like this, 3.5, because the difference is 0. Now we will move to our question number 2 of this exercise. Question number 2. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. 30th term of the AP 1074 is, these are the 4 options. So we have to find 30th term, and this will be our first term. So value of A is equals to 10, and we can find the value of D, that is common difference, by using formula A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2. So difference between any two consecutive terms, next term minus previous term, will be the common difference. So in this case I am using formula A2 minus A1 is equals to 7 minus 10. So the common difference will be equals to minus 3, and we have number of terms is equals to 30. Now we will use formula AN. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1D. In this case you have to find 30th term. So A30 is equals to, value of A is equals to 10. Value of N is equals to 30. And value of D is equals to minus 3. A30 is equals to 10 plus, this will be 29 minus 3. So 30th term will be 10 plus, minus sign will come here, this will be minus 87. 29 into 3 is 87, and 30th term will be minus 77. So correct answer is option C, minus 77. Second part, 11th term of the AP minus 3 minus 1 upon 2 is, and these are the 4 options. You have to find 11th term. In this AP we have minus 3 is equals to A. This is our first term. And second common difference you can find by using formula A2 minus A1, or you can do A3 minus A2. A2 minus A1. Value of A2 is 1 upon 2 minus value of A1 is minus 3. So it will be minus 2 plus 3. By taking LCM you will get 5 upon 2 as your common difference. And we know the value of n also. Value of n is equals to 11. So we can find our 11th term by using formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1d. Now we will substitute our values. Value of a is equals to minus 3, value of n is equals to 11, and value of d is equals to 5 upon 2. So the 11th term will be minus 5, 11 minus 1 is 10, 5 upon 2. So you can cancel out this 5 minus 5 multiplied by minus 3 plus 25. So 11th term is 22 and the correct answer is option B, 22. Let's solve third question of this exercise. In the following APs, find the missing term in the boxes. The first part is 2 and this missing term, and the third term is 26. So you have to find second term. In this part we have first term is equals to 2 and third term is equals to 26. We can use formula for this third term. Third term will be equals to a plus 2d is equals to 26. Now we have two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. We can substitute value of 2 in this equation, value of a in this equation. So 2 plus 2d is equals to 26. Now we will shift this 2 to right hand side. So 26 minus 2. 2d is equals to 26 minus 2 is 24. And value of d comes out to be 12. Now we know the value of common difference, and here you have to find second term. Second term a2 is equals to a plus d, that's a formula, and we know the value of a as well as value of d. So let's substitute the values. So 2 plus 12 is equals to 14. So this missing term will be equals to 14. So this way you can find missing terms. Now I'll move to our second part. You can take a screenshot or you can copy it down. Okay. Now in second part we have second term and fourth term. Our second term is equals to 13, whereas fourth term is equals to 3. We have to find our first term and third term. So you can use formula of A2. A2 formula is a plus 1d, and formula for A4 is equals to a plus 3d is equals to 3. Now we have two simultaneous equation number 1 and equation number 2. We can use elimination method to find the value of d in this case. So let's do elimination. A plus 3d is equals to 3 and a plus d is equals to 13. Now in order to eliminate, we have to subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. This will get cancelled out and you'll get 2D in LHS, and in RHS you will get minus 10. So common difference will be equals to minus 5. Now we have common difference minus 5, and this way you can find the value of our first term also by substituting this value in first equation. Our first equation is a plus d is equals to 13. So, and the value of d is minus 5 is equals to 13. You can shift this minus 5 to RHS, so this will become 18. So our first term is equals to 18 and the common difference is minus 5. So 18 minus 5 is 13, and again 13 minus 5 will be 8, and 8 minus 5 is 3. So this is our second part. Similarly, you can solve third part also. Let's solve this part also. Third part. In this part we have first term is equals to 5 and fourth term is equals to 9.5. You can write this as 9.5 also. Now we are going to use formula for A4. A4 is equals to A plus 3D. Now we are going to substitute our values. A4 is equals to 9.5. Value of A is equals to 5 plus 3D. You can shift the value of 5 to LHS. This will be 4.5 is equals to 3D. Now value of common difference is equals to, so common difference is equals to 1.5. When you will add 1.5 to this term, you will get second term is equals to 6.5. Again you will add 1.5 to 6.5, your answer will be 8. So this will be your third term, and when you add 1.5 again you will get 9.5 or 9.5. So this way you can find rest of the terms. Now we will solve our fourth part. In fourth part, first term is equals to minus 4 and second, third, fourth, fifth term you have to find, and we have sixth term is equals to 6. So you can use the formula for A6. A6 is equals to A plus 5D. A plus 5D is equals to 6, and value of A is equals to minus 4 plus 5D is equals to 6. Now I'll shift this minus 4 to right hand side. 6 plus 4, 5D is equals to 10 and D is equals to 2. So we have common difference is equals to 2. So every time you have to add 2 to this term. So this will be minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 2 4, and 4 plus 2 is 6. I think that's very easy. Now we will solve last part of this question number 3. In this part we have second term is equals to 38. Third, fourth, fifth terms are missing, and sixth term is equals to minus 22. So we have second term is equals to 38. And also we have sixth term is equals to minus 22. So by using formulas, A2 is equals to A plus D, and formula for sixth term is equals to A plus 5D is equals to minus 22. So here we have equation number 1 and equation number 2. Student, if you don't know how I have used these formulas, then must watch my video part 1 of arithmetic progression, because in that video I have explained that formula in detail, so you can watch that video. Now we have two simultaneous equation. A plus 5D is equals to minus 22 and A plus D is equals to 38. By doing elimination, you will get 5t minus t is equals to 4d, and this will be 60. So common difference comes out to be minus 15. So we have value of d is equals to minus 15. So it's a decreasing type of arithmetic progression. When you subtract minus 15 from this, you will get 23, and when you subtract minus 15 from here, you'll get 8, and again minus 15, so you'll get minus 7, and when you subtract minus 15 from minus 7, you will get minus 22, and here the term will be 43, because when you subtract minus 15 from, sorry, this will be 53. This will be first term is equals to 53, because when you subtract minus 15 from 53, you will get 38. So this is how you can solve this type of question. I hope this question number 1, 2 and 3 is clear to you. Thank you for watching my video. In my next video, you will find question number 4 to question number 7.